Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Life as a DIY Mom, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a very easy pearl earring. You do not need any skill in jewelry making to be able to make it. I'm going to give you links to where you can get the items to make the earring, and yeah, pretty much that's it. At the end of the video you would have made yourself a lovely or even lovelier earring than the one we're making in this video. Please like, comment and subscribe so that you're first to know when we have new videos. So let's go right into the video. What I want to do is, with my 1mm wire, this has different sizes, so you can either use this if you have it, but if you don't have it, all you need is something that is circular, that is round, and I'm going to use the biggest size. I'm going to take my wire around it like this, and then I'm just going to remove it, and I'm going to just cut off. I'm not going to cut off at the tip. I'm going to leave some extra before cutting off, about ½ an inch, because I'm going to make a loop there. So right now I have cut it. So what I want to do is, with my round nose pliers, I want to make a loop to close this part of the wire in, like to secure it in. So I'm just going to, so right now I've done that, so I have this right now. Now what I want to do to this part is to make another loop like this. This is where I'm going to be attaching my ear wire to. I can see that the shape is not so perfect, so with my hand I'm just going to try to get the perfect circle. With my 0.70mm wire, I'm just going to measure and cut out about 20 inches. Right now you don't have to actually be specific on the number of inches, because with wire work, even when your wire is not enough, you can always join like effortlessly. But I've just measured 20 inches. And now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap my wire around to start up about 3 times, while holding down this excess. I'm going to just try to make so I've done that, and I have it quite secure. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up one pearl, slide it down, and with my fingers I'm going to secure that pearl. So I'm going to tightly make 3 turns like this through the hoop, and then with my fingers I can just push that back. Next I'm going to pick up another pearl, slide that in, and then with my fingers hold it down, and then I'm going to loop around. This is the first time, this is the second time, and this is the third time. You can do it more than 3 times, it just depends on you. There's no rule. You can do it twice or 3 times. Again, I'll slide in another pearl, hold it down, and then so this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to continue this process till I fill up the hoop with all my pearls. So I'm just going to wrap that a couple of times, and I'm going to just cut off my excess wire. After cutting, I'm just going to use my flat nose pliers to tuck that in. So I'm done. With my hand, I can just smoothen it out, and we're done with the first part. Now what we need to do is find the midpoint of this hoop, and I already counted. I have 14 beads, so I'm just going to count 7. Here's 7, and I'm just going to create some sort of space at the middle there. Now I'm going to be going to my accent bead. So I have my head pin. I'm just going to slide my bead into the head pin. Slide that down. I'm going to cut off the excess, and I'll keep this because I can use it for something else. And I'm going to make a loop. Right before closing it, I'm just going to slide that into the midpoint, and then I would close it up. And now I've done that. So the last part is just going to be to make my ear wire so that I'll be able to wear this. So with the part I cut off from the head pin, or with your wire, I'm just going to, with my finger, bend this like this. I have a little bit too much. I'm just going to trim that out, and I'm going to make a loop. Before closing the loop, I'm going to slide it into the space at the top that I already made in the beginning. Slide that in, and then I'll just close it. And we're done. Thank you very much guys for watching and staying to the end of the video. See you in my next video.